Hello everybody, this is I Roll with Bennett, and right here I have an instruction manual. See if I can get a better shot. Yeah, pretty cool. If you didn't get a chance to take a look at that, this is a instruction manual for my talking Madi talking recordable multi-alarm clock. I got it for Christmas last year, and it's currently sitting on my table, and I'll catch you there. Okay, so here she is. She's beautiful. There's a shot of the front. Top. Side. Back. And side. And you can see she's got switches all over. Oh, sorry about that. She's got switches all over because unlike the last clock I reviewed, she's switch operated. I hope to show you more about her later on, but like right now I've only had this set up for like less than a week, so but I'm gonna do an time announce with the time and date announce on the lowest volume setting. So let me just
Now, 7:46 a.m. Saturday, April 8th, 2023.
I'm gonna run that again.
Good morning. It's now 7:46 a.m. Saturday, April 8th, 2023.
Here's a look at the display. It looks more purple on camera than it does here in person because of the sunrise. It's actually really pretty. I'm gonna turn this up just a little bit so we can hear it.
Good morning. It's now 7:47 a.m. Saturday, April 8th, 2023.
Okay. That's my talking Maddie doing a date announce. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like and subscribe, and have a good day.